Hello and welcome back to my channel, all of you. Today's grammar topic is adjective. There will be multiple choice question and each question carries 1 mark. So let's start solving the question together. Question number 1 is, which of the following sentences uses an adjective of quantity? Okay, here are your options. I found some coins under the bed. Next, the girl is smart. Next, he won the first prize. And the last, the dog barked loudly. These are the 4 sentences. Now you have to identify which of the sentences containing adjective of quantity. Okay? You have to find the sentences which is a sentence which is having adjective of quantity out of these 4 options. So go through your sentence options once again. I am sure you'll be able to find the correct option. It is option A. I found some coins under the bed. This is your correct option. Let's move on to the second question. Question number 2. Identify the sentence that contains an adjective of number. Here you have to identify the sentence which is having adjective of number. Okay, let's look at the option. We had little time to complete the test. Next, all students submitted their homework. Next, 5 players were selected for the match. And the last, she is wearing a colorful dress. These are the 4 sentences. Now you have to identify which sentence is containing the adjective of number out of these 4 sentences. Is it option A or B or C or D? Which one is the correct option? If you are selected option C, you're absolutely right. 5 players were selected for the match. This sentence is having adjective of number. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 3. Which of the following is the correct sentence with a superlative adjective? These are your options. He is the most talented student in the group. Next, this road is the most narrow of all. Next, this is the best pizza I have ever had. And the last sentence, she is elder than her sister. These are the 4 sentences. You have to identify the correct sentence with a superlative adjective out of these 4 options. So, go through your options once again and try to find the correct option. And the correct option is option C. This is the best pizza I ever had. If you got it right, don't forget to give yourself 1 mark because each question carries 1 mark. Okay? And keep counting your marks. Okay. Question number 4. Choose the correct comparative adjective form to complete the sentence. And this is the sentence. The river is dash than the lake. Which word should I fill over here? Options are more deep, deeper, deep, most deep. These are the 4 options. Which one is correct? Which one should I put in this blank to complete the sentence? It is option B, deeper. This river is deeper than the lake. Okay. Okay. Question number 5. Question number 5 is, which of these adjectives is an adjective of quality? Your options are to, some, honest, first. These are the 4 options. You have to identify which one is the adjective of quality out of these 4 options. So go through your options carefully. I am sure you'll be able to find the correct option. It is option C, honest. If you got it right, don't forget to give yourself 1 mark. And I have a tiny task for you before I move on to the next question. Mention in the comment section below which is your favorite English grammar topic. I would love to know. Okay. Now let's move on to the next question. Question number 6. Question number 6 is, pick the sentence where the order of adjectives is correct. Okay. Here you have to see what order of adjective. Remember. Okay. Okay. Your options are, she got a leather new black wallet. Next, I saw an amazing big old tree. Next, he gifted me a beautiful small wooden box. And the last, We clean the large red kitchen table. These are the four options. Now quickly identify which one is having the correct order of adjective out of these four sentences. And the correct option is option D. We cleaned the large red kitchen table. The sentence is having the correct order of adjectives. Okay. Question number 7. Which sentence uses adjectives incorrectly? Here you have to see incorrectly. Okay. Okay, let's look at the option. She is more smarter than her cousin. Next, the giraffe is the tallest animal. Next, he wore a clean white shirt. And the last, this is a very useful tool. These are the four sentences. You have to select the sentence which is using adjective incorrectly out of these four sentences. So which sentence is it that is using adjective incorrectly? It is option A. She is more smarter than her cousin. This sentence is using adjective incorrectly because this sentence is incorrect because it is having double comparative. More and smarter. This sentence has having double comparative. That is why this sentence is not correct. Okay? Okay, let's move on to the next one. Question number 8. Choose the correct sentence using a demonstrative adjective. Okay, here you have to choose the sentence with a demonstrative adjective. Okay, let's look at the option. I like this book more than that one. Next, these are running fast. Next, those sits quietly. And the last, he read beautiful that story. These are the four sentences. You have to identify which sentence is using the demonstrative adjective correctly out of these four sentences. It is option A. I like this book more than that one. If you got it right, what are you supposed to do? Give yourself 1 mark and keep counting your marks. And do let me know in the comment section how much did you score out of 10. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 9. Find the correct sentence with a proper degree of comparison. Here are your options. The gold necklace is expensive than the silver one. Next, my house is most bigger than yours. Next, this puzzle is more difficult than the last one. And the last, he is the most faster swimmer. These are the four options. These are the four sentences. You have to identify the sentence with proper degree of comparison. So, which one is it? It is option C. This puzzle is more difficult than the last one. Okay. So, we have reached the last question. Question number 10. Question number 10 is, what kind of adjective is used in this sentence? And this is a sentence. Each student received a gift. So what kind of adjective is used in the sentence? Here are your options. Quantitative adjective, interrogative adjective, demonstrative adjective, distributive adjective. These are the four types. Now which one is correct? Okay, before I tell you the answer of this question, if you find my video useful, please like and subscribe to my channel. Also mention in the comment section below how much did you score out of 10. Coming back to the question, these are the four options. Which one is correct? It is option D, distributive adjective. In this sentence, each is a distributive adjective. So, option D is the correct option. Okay, with that we come to the end of this video. See you in the next video. Till then, bye-bye and happy learning all of you.